welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can get Anubis as a pal, or a pet in this case, so that you can combine it with Sekhmet for the ultimate handicraft or like handiwork combination inside of your base. So inside of like the center of the island chain here is a mini desert, and that is where you will find Anubis, a level 55 version, as the local boss. So I'm just going to head up there. You can just get there by going straight up through the main island area from the beginning starting area, swinging down to the east, and then just following this island shore up. And then there is a flight point, or at least a teleport point, up above the gigantic Anubis statue. So here we are at the teleport point. As you would probably guess, Anubis is down here somewhere, chilling out in front of the same statue. You can't miss him. He's literally the only thing hanging out in the middle there. And he's got level 55, about 5,000-ish health. Not too bad. I recommend bringing out your toughest pal for this, and making sure you've got mercy or some type of mercy effect on your character so that you can catch them a little bit easier without accidentally killing them. There we go. Now we have Anubis as our first Anubis pal, the boss variant, and now we can take it back to one of our bases. So the whole idea behind getting Anubis is he's got a really high level of handiwork, a level 6 handiwork to begin with, but when you pair him with a Sekhmet, where is a Sekhmet? Here's a Sekhmet. Sekhmet gives Anubis a 20% work speed increase and increases efficiency by 30% if Sekhmet is also working at the same workbench. So it's both of these two working together. They basically have, I don't know, pretty close to a 100% work speed. So both of these working together have a very, very high work speed. I don't want to say it's like close to 10 work speed, but it's definitely up there. Especially at the mid-game point of Palworld, you definitely do well with having both a Sekhmet and an Anubis under the same roof doing the same job. And this one's also an Earth Emperor, which increases their earth damage and decreases incoming fire damage. So he's a spicy guy. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. This has been how to capture Anubis and where. I'm going to show you where to get the boss variety. So until next time, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.